and welcome to the Monarch Festival. I am so glad that you've all come out to see this show. Today's show is all about monarchs. Come along with us in our classroom to see what bugs and insects the monarch meets along her journey. We hope you enjoy.
I'm gonna devour a whole milkweed leaf in about an hour. Milkweed, listen to this. I'm gonna work myself into a chrysalis. Milkweed, before I party, won't somebody plant me a milkweed garden?
Hello everyone, and welcome to our public classroom. Do you want to know what it is that we're going to be learning about today?
Yes, we'd love to. What are we learning about today?
Well, it's something that can fly.
A bird?
No, that's a good guess, but that's not it. It's very little.
A fly?
No, not that little. It's very colorful.
Is it a butterfly?
It sure is. But what kind of butterfly?
Tiger swallowtail?
Nope, not that one.
Painted lady?
Also not a painted lady. Think about what kind of butterflies you see out on the milkweed.
A monarch?
That's exactly right. Today in class, we're going to be learning all about the life cycle of a monarch. I had a poster in here somewhere to show you what I was talking about. Where did it go? Oh, here it is.
That sure is a beautiful butterfly.
Isn't it? The coloring is actually to warn off animals that might want to eat the butterfly.
Why is that?
There's a type of toxin or poison in milkweed. When a caterpillar eats the milkweed, they start to become poisonous to other animals that want to eat them. The bright color says to the other animals, "Don't eat me, I taste bad. I might even taste awful. Yuck."
Wow, that is so cool. I never knew that.
Well, there are probably a few more things today that you're going to learn that you never knew before. Yes? What's the matter? Has something happened?
You might want to look at your poster.
Oh, that's odd. Are you telling me that my poster is coming to life?
I think so. I don't know what else would be happening.
And there goes my butterfly, right off my poster. You know what this calls for?
Field trip?
You're right.
Like a normal field trip where we go to a butterfly garden and...
Now, would that be any fun? I was thinking...
Don't say it.
Let's take a trip on the magic school bus.
Seatbelts, everyone!
Oh no, here we go again.
You're relaxed and feeling good. Next thing that you know, you'll see you're sitting like Mars on the magic school bus. I'm on the magic school bus. Right on the magic school bus.
Let's shrink way down so we can watch this butterfly adventure for the day.
If you say so.
Are you ready for this ultra amazing field trip?
I don't think so.
If you have that attitude, you definitely won't have any fun. How about you try saying, "I'm up for a new adventure. Let's have some fun."
I'm up for a new adventure. Let's have some fun.
You're not convincing me.
I'm up for a new adventure. Let's have some fun.
You're getting there. Now a little more enthusiasm.
I'm up for a new adventure and let's have some fun.
That's what I'm talking about. Now it's out to the butterfly garden.
A milkweed garden, oh yeah.
Now we're in our new classroom for the day, the butterfly garden.
Wait, are those trees?
No, remember, we're small. Those are flowers and milkweed. That over there is a tree.
Wow, we are really small.
How else were we going to experience the monarch life cycle firsthand?
Look, over there. It's your monarch butterfly from our classroom poster.
It sure is. I'm going to put this little camera on her so we can watch where she goes and see all the creatures that she meets along the way.
Wow, that's so amazing. Hello, friends. It was so dark and dusty in that classroom cupboard that when I was taken out of there, I just had to make my move and go on a little adventure myself. I think that they're going to try to use me to learn a little bit more about the monarch life cycle. The first step in that life cycle is an egg. Lucky for you, I'm about to lay an egg on this here leaf of milkweed. Then, in about 4 days, it will hatch and the next portion of the life cycle will begin. I will leave this little camera here so you can all see what is happening. Well, I'll see you later.
At the pollinator party, oh yeah, oh
yeah. I'm just out here making my web. Ugh. Well, that was a funny noise. Ugh. There it is again. Ugh. And again. I think it's coming from the monarch egg. Ugh. It sure is. Well, if you don't mind, I'm just gonna leave this little guy alone and go back to making my web. Ugh. Again, well, soon that egg will transform into something else, and the next phase of the life cycle will begin. Ugh. Weave my web all the way one day. Weave till it's past free.
Next, that monarch egg became something else. Next, it became a caterpillar.
milkweed. Now I have what I need. You provided me with energy so I can succeed. Milkweed until we meet again. I hope to be around for the next change.
Here I am, just nibbling away at this milkweed.
Hey, caterpillar.
Hey, ladybug.
Want to play a game of tag?
Nah, I need to eat all this milkweed so I can go big and strong. Okay, maybe not strong, but at least big so I can move to the next stage of my life cycle.
So you're telling me that you're just going to stay here and keep eating? What's the fun in that?
It's tons of fun. I get to eat right side up and upside down. I really mix things up.
And all you eat is milkweed?
Yes, I do. I think it tastes like a gourmet, 5-star restaurant quality meal. You know, the restaurant where you have to, dress up super fancy just to walk in the door?
Wow, that sounds amazing, and it's even starting to smell amazing.
Actually, on second thought, I wouldn't recommend eating the milkweed.
Are you sure? You hyped me up so much, I think I'll just take one bite.
No, really don't. Milkweed has toxins in it. Monarchs, like me, have built up a tolerance to it.
What's a tolerance?
It means we can eat the milkweed and the toxins don't affect us. And it doesn't taste bad, and we don't die if we eat it.
So you're saying that if I ate milkweed leaf, I could have died?
That's right.
Well, I'm glad I didn't do that. Just like the butterfly you will become, I am brightly colored because I also taste bad.
Whoa, that's crazy that we have something in common. Now, I think I'm gonna get back to eating my milkweed, but I might see you around.
Yes, it was nice to chit-chat with you and hear a little bit about the larva stage of the life cycle. Goodbye.
Goodbye to you, too.
And the caterpillar just kept on eating. For 7 to 17 days, she ate and ate and ate until she was big enough to wrap herself in a chrysalis. And that was the next stage of the monarch butterfly life cycle.
Stuck in here, living in a chrysalis. My body's taking part of metamorphosis. Imaginal cells reshape my body. In just a few weeks, I'll be ready to party. Oh yeah.
I was just flying around this morning, and I noticed something new. Something wasn't there before. It's almost like a new little chandelier of sorts. I kind of like it. I wonder if it will glow in the dark. Nah, that's a silly idea. But what is this? What could it be? Now I'm so confused. It just showed up today. It's green and smooth. Wait a second. What do they know? Do you know what it is? If you do, shout it out, please. You're trying to tell me that this was just a caterpillar, and in 9 to 14 days, will again change into something new? Well, that's just wild. I guess my chandelier will only be here for a few more days, but that's okay. I will enjoy it while it lasts.
Just like the moth said, in 9 to 14 days, this chrysalis will turn into something spectacular. The thing that we've all been waiting for. A big, beautiful, colorful, floating, rare, brilliant monarch butterfly. So far, it has taken anywhere from 20 to 35 days to get to this point. But it will all be worth the waiting.
Well, it's bright out here. Yes, I have emerged. Fill my wings with fluid so I can surge and soar through the trees and the flowers in the breeze. Floating through the world, gonna fly where I please. I've got these fantastic taste receptors on my feet. Taste testers, tell me what's tasty to eat. With great vision, flowers are hard to miss. Then I slurp up the nectar with my proboscis.
Wow, I'm finally free. I was so cramped in that chrysalis. Now I can stretch my wings and fly. I can fly too. It's such a wonderful thing. It really is, but just like all wonderful and amazing things, this won't last forever. Soon I will again lay my eggs and the monarch butterfly life cycle will start again. Well, until that point, will you like to do some flying around? That sounds great. I think it should be called sky dancing, because it's almost like you're dancing in the sky. I like that sky dancing it is. Buzz, buzz. You move in ways that are so different from me. Well, we're each a little different and special in our own species. That's right. I love the way you flit and float when you sky dance. Thank you. Well, I don't want to leave you, but it's time for me to go lay my eggs and let the monarch butterfly life cycle continue. That what needs to happen next. And I always remember you when I sky dance. I had a great deal of fun sky dancing with you.
With my proboscis, oh yeah, oh yeah.
The butterfly will go and lay more eggs and keep the cycle going. She will also stick around for about a month and keep sky dancing.
Now that we have made it back to the beginning of this life cycle, can we head back to the classroom?
Yes, I think that it's about that time of the day. It's almost time for school to get out.
We better hurry then. I don't want to miss my bus.
We will make it. Did you enjoy your magic field trip all about monarch butterflies?
Yes, I did.
See, I knew you would. And did you learn anything?
I sure did. Now I know all about the monarch life cycle.
Gonna lay my eggs all over you. Milkweed, the big part of the fun. You know I'll always have you on my mind. Now I have what I need. Gave me energy so I could succeed until we meet again. I hope you're there for the next generation. I hope you're there for the generation. Stretch them out, shake them dry. Ready, set, it's time to fly. Stretch them out, shake them dry. Ready, set, it's time to fly. Fly, fly, butterfly, fly. Round and around, feet off the ground. Fly, butterfly, fly. Soar, wings, soar. Gliding there through the windy air. Soar, wings, soar. Flutter up, flutter down, forward, backwards, all around. Flutter up, flutter down, forward, backwards, all around, all around.
I'm the dragonfly.
Hi, Dragonfly.
Do you want to hear a joke?
Yeah.
What insect breathes fire?
What?
A dragonfly.
Down below the land, I've been told by almost everything. I've been told.
Hi, I'm the moth.
Hi,
You want to hear a joke?
Mom. Yep.
Why couldn't the butterfly go to the dance?
Why?
Because it was the moth ball.
I've been told by a yellow bumblebee.
That was good.
Hi, I'm Spider.
Hi, Spider.
Do you want to hear a really funny joke?
Yes.
Why did the spider buy a computer?
Why?
He wanted to access the web. Hi, I'm the student.
Hi, student.
Do you want to hear a joke?
Yes.
How do bugs get to school?
How?
On the school bus.
You're doing trivia? Okay.
Hi, I'm the Monarch Festival. You want to hear a joke?
Yes.
What does a chatty caterpillar become?
What?
A social butterfly.
That was
Hi, I'm the ladybug.
Hi,
Do you want to hear a joke?
Yes.
Why don't ladybugs play hide and seek?
Why?
Because they're always spotted.
Hello and welcome to Trivia in the Park, Monarch Edition. Okay. Okay, raise your hand if you know the answer. Okay. With what body part do monarchs smell? A, wings, B, antenna, C, proboscis, or D, feet? You gotta raise your hand. I heard you, but you gotta raise your hand.
I'd say pick that one.
Are you raising your hand?
Yeah.
What is it? You got it right. What? Antenna. Okay. How many miles a day do monarchs travel during migration? A, 13 miles, B, 56 miles, or C, 100 miles, or D, 320 miles? You in the way back. Nope. Okay, do you want me to read the answers again?
Do you know it?
D was just said. You have A, 13 miles, B, 56 miles, or C, 100 miles. Those are your options. That is correct.
C is correct.
What was correct?
100 miles a day.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
That makes me tired just thinking about it.
During which stage of the monarch's life cycle do they only eat milkweed? A, caterpillar slash larva, B, butterfly, C, egg, or D, none of the stages. Do you know it?
Caterpillar.
That is correct. Okay, next is a true or false question. So, true or false, a monarch butterfly can't bite you. Do you think monarchs can bite you?
No.
I want to hear it for someone new. You raise your hand if you know the answer. You know the answer? Is it true or false? Is it true?
They can't bite you or false? They can bite you.
Can they bite you or can they not bite you? That is correct.
So it's true. They cannot
They
bite
cannot
you.
bite you.